How to create tables with Canva with free templates. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create tables using Canva. So let's get started. First, what you guys can do is you can go to canva.com and you will land right here. Canva is an online designing tool that allows you to edit presentation, create logos, design t-shirts, and much more. With Canva, we also get the option to create tables, and we can use these tables for digital planners and different purposes. So creating a table is really easy, and I will be using free templates today. I will not be using any paid templates so that you can easily create these tables for free. You can sign up for Canva with your Google account. I actually have Canva Pro, but I'll use the tables for you. Let's actually get into it. So you have to open up your canvas on Canva. I'm gonna quickly take you to the editor. So we have this canvas right here. You can select a custom size, or if you're already working on a planner, you can go with that canvas, with that layout. So we have this one right here, and I'll show you how to add a table. For that, once you get right here, you have to go to the elements. In elements, you have to scroll down a little bit and you will get the option of tables right here. So I'm going to click on see all so that we can actually check out all of the tables available on Canva. So you can see these are the tables that we can create on Canva. All of these tables have different designs and we can of course customize them. So we have three types of tables available. We have this one which is going to be like the empty columns and rows. Then we have this one for like a text above for a calendar view, and then we have this one. So I'm going to actually select the first one and show you how it works. You're just going to select the table you want to go for, and you can of course change the color as you like. So I'm going to select this one right here. Alright, so the table has been added and you can see now we can move it like we move any element in Canva. We can of course place it wherever we want it to be, and we can make it bigger and smaller. But with tables, we get other options as well. So I'm going to place it right here. And if you click on these three dots, you will get more options such as copy, paste, duplicate, delete, and then we have animate, comment, and link. Similarly, we are getting like these three dots when we click on the rows and with the columns as well. So if I click on these three dots, then we have the option of add column, delete a column, merge cells, size row equally, size rows to content, size column to content. So these are the some of the options that we are getting with the table. Let's say I want to add another column to my table. So I will just click on add column and it will be added. Now I have 4 columns. If I want to add a column right here, then I can just click on 3 dots and I can click on add column. If you want to delete a column, let's say I want to delete this one. So you'll just click on 3 dots, click on delete, and this one will be deleted in the middle. So where you find these 3 dots, you're actually working on that column. And similarly, if you move to your rows, let's say I was actually looking for more rows. I want 3 columns and I was looking for 5 rows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it to the 4th one because a row will be added next to this one. So I'm going to click on add row and it will be added. Let's actually place it a little above, and now we have 3 columns and 5 rows. How to add text into a table? So for that, we can actually use a simple text method, and you can just select one cell and write in it. For example, names. Then you can move on to the next one like this. And then you can of course add information here. So working with the tables on Canva is very easy and it does not complicate things for you. If you want to get rid of the rows, then again we have delete row option. Size column equally. So if you want to do that, you can do this. Then we have size raw to content. So if I click on this one, it will actually adjust the size of the rows and the columns according to the content that I have added. You can see now it has actually made it smaller because the text was just like one word. So they kind of like minimized the text. So I'm gonna actually place it right here, and let's actually add a new page so that I can show you the other type of columns that we have. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it in the middle. Let's scroll down, click on add a page, and it will be added. Okay, perfect. Let's move on to the next type of table, this one. So this one is used for planners. If you're looking to maybe add your weekly, you want to plan something, we can create a table here. So first of all, we can change the color too if you want to. We have this one. I want more. I want 7 columns and 7 rows. That's what I'm looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly actually make it a bit smaller so that we can work on it. We can also adjust the size of a, column or a row by just like, moving it. So I'm going to place it here and make it smaller. Let's add some columns and rows. Okay, so we have 7 columns now. Similarly, I'm going to add rows. You can also add a row by just clicking on this plus button right here. Just click on it. Okay, so this is enough. Now I'm going to actually make my, I'm going to adjust the size now. Okay, so this is the table we have for, like managing a little more content. You can now add like several things into it, and you can adjust the size as well. You can now add text here too. Just click on the, one cell, enter your text. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get rid of 2 of the columns because it's actually taking much space. Then we have another type of table available, which is this one. So I'm going to select it. And this is going to be, again, for very useful for the planners. And if you're looking for a very professional table to add to your slide, or if you want to add something to your document, or if you're creating a digital planner and you want to add it. So similarly, it's going to be just reuse a table. You can add more columns, you can add more rows, you can add text into it, you can change the color, you can change the alignment, you can change the table spacing from above. Then we have the other options such as the fonts. We have the animate option as well, size adjustment. Click on these 3 dots and then you will get merge cells option, move row down, move row up. All of these options are available. If you want to, let's say, move a row down and you want to add another row, then you can just click on these 3 dots and click on the move row up or down option. Similarly, the spacing, if you're having issue with the table spacing, that if you want to increase it or decrease it, then you can of course do from here, and it will actually, increase or decrease the cell spacing or the table spacing as a whole. This is how it works. You can see using tables on Canva is really easy, and it helps us in a lot of different ways, and we can create tables, professional tables with Canva, and enter all the information we need very easily. So go ahead and check out these element option on Canva, and you will be able to create tables. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.